Where are we going, Andrew?
To the park.
To the park? Okay.
To the playground park.
Today is very hot. It's almost spring. Snows are melting all the way down to the ground already.
And my head kind of hurts.
And Andrew wants to go to the park, so we're gonna take him for a little bit. What are you taking with you?
My scooter.
Your scooter?
And that.
What's that? What kind of game is that?
I don't know.
Okay. See you guys at the park. Okay, here we are.
Where are you going?
This way, Andrew.
Cái sắp play đó có xong một cái đó. Cái mà nó lò. Chú tụi nó lúa hái sủi à. Có tiền cái bánh mình có tiền không? Oh my god, 愛條條。我知道喂，坐。
Sorry, camera girl.
It's cold.